Sprinkle salt on the carpet. What happens next will surprise you. Take a medium-sized bowl and add about 150 milliliters of water. It's important that the water is not hot, just slightly warm. Then add 1 tablespoon of table salt. Salt helps remove stains and unpleasant odors. Add 1 tablespoon of dish soap, preferably with your favorite scent. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar, thanks to its properties, helps remove tough stains, dissolves dirt, and restores freshness to fibers. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive that helps loosen dirt in the carpet fibers. You'll notice foam starting to form. Mix everything thoroughly. Pour the mixture over the stains on the carpet. Take a brush and scrub the stains well. This mixture works on most types of carpets. Finally, wipe with a towel or paper and wait for the carpet to dry. This simple and inexpensive method will help you get rid of tough stains and dirt. Your carpet will look like new. This is how I get rid of the winter dirt. In no time, you'll have your balcony ready for spring. All you need is a simple homemade mixture. Snow, melting, and the buildup of soot make your balcony require a deep cleaning after the winter months. Luckily, you don't need to use expensive detergents. A proven homemade method will help you effectively clean the tiles. First, remove all the furniture and items from the balcony. Then, sweep up the leaves and other debris with a brush with stiff bristles. Once the surface is ready, wash the tiles with water and dish soap. Next, prepare the homemade mixture. Mix baking soda with hydrogen peroxide and apply it to the stains, scrubbing with a sponge or brush. Finally, rinse with clean water. Before cleaning, test the mixture in an inconspicuous area. If the tiles react well to it, you can clean the entire surface. With this simple trick, your balcony will be ready for spring. After the winter, I take aluminum foil and wrap the balcony railing with it. This method provides 100% effectiveness. Plain aluminum foil will ensure you won't have to do anything else. You surely have aluminum foil at home. It has many uses. Besides wrapping sandwiches and baking meat, you can use it in the dishwasher. Thanks to aluminum foil, glasses, cups, and cutlery are shiny. You've probably already discovered why it's worth throwing aluminum foil balls into the toilet tank. And you already know that aluminum foil is useful for removing grease after frying. The solidified grease can be thrown away with the foil. Thanks to the foil, you don't have to clog your pipes and spend money on a plumber. But you surely don't know about this use of aluminum foil yet. Take a piece of aluminum foil and wrap it around the railing. The piece of foil must be longer to wrap it properly on the metal railing. Take another piece and wrap the railing next to it. The foil serves a protective role. Thanks to it, I won't have to clean the balcony as often. How is that possible? The foil will prevent pigeons from sitting on it. Thanks to it, I no longer have to chase them away or clean up after them. The foil rustles and shines. Birds don't like that. They'll choose other places, but they'll avoid your balcony from now on. I hang garbage bags on the balcony. My grandma taught me this trick, and I always do it during winter. I highly recommend this trick to everyone. I can't imagine surviving the entire winter without it. All my friends have tried it too, and now my family doesn't even bat an eye when they see more bags on the balcony. I tie them to the railing. That works best. Larger trash bags with strings are perfect for this. It's even better when they have strings that I can use not only to tie the bag, but also to fasten it to the railing. Other bags work as well. I don't use this trick all year round. There need to be appropriate conditions. Winter is the best time for it. When I have these bags, I go around the house and tidy up. I check the living room and bedroom, collecting everything that fits into the bag. But it's not garbage. These bags aren't meant for waste or trash. They're intended for something else. From the bedroom, I take pillows and remove the pillowcases. They are ordinary sleeping pillows. I remove the pillowcases and take them for laundry. I put the pillow into the bag. I do the same with the next pillow. I also take pillows from the sofa and pack them into garbage bags. I do this whenever it's freezing and the temperature drops below 0. I expose pillows, blankets, comforters,